welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So on this video I wanted to share with you guys how I got my breast milk to flow within 2 days of me giving birth. I gave birth to a really hungry baby, and he was not having waiting to to be fed. Every now and then he's just wanting food so desperately, and my milk wasn't coming out the first day. The second day it did come out because of these things I did. So if you're interested to know what I did to get my milk to flow really fast, keep watching this video. The first day, what I did is, as soon as I came back from the hospital, I went and I got myself a bottle of beer, which is a non-alcoholic beer. I'm going to put it here so you can see. I took that and mixed it up a little bit with some Sprite, just to clear the taste a little bit if you don't like the taste of beer. So I drank that all day, the first day that I came home, and then the second day, and then I applied a lot of some flaxseed oil on my boobs area. Massage date. When I went into the bath, I massaged myself with warm water, lukewarm water, or hot water, not really too hot, not too warm. So I massaged my boobs with that. And prior to that, before I gave birth, a week before, I was taking brewer's yeast. So I started taking that to help with the production of the milk, and that really did help as well. So yeah, and I let my baby suck on the nipple, even though there wasn't any milk coming out. The colostrum was coming out, yes, but that wasn't enough for a very hungry baby. But I let him suck on it continuously just to make sure that he's encouraging the flow of the milk, and that really did help. So within the second day of me giving birth, my milk came, because normally some people take 3 days, some people take 4 days, and if you have a hungry baby that couldn't wait, you just have to resort to formula feeding. But with what I did, it really did help me. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. If hope it helped, and if you have any other ideas or what worked for you when you had a baby, please leave it on the comment box below, so that we can share ideas together and help each other. I do hope that this video have helped you, and if it has, please thumbs it up, share this video, subscribe if you're not already done so, and keep coming back for more interesting videos. Do have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye.